Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Hates mod installation tutorial. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this download link. First you just need to download the mod importer. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option under Windows. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then this will download up. After the download done, you just need to download the mod utility. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select download. Select slow download option and it will start downloading. And the third mod is uh, you can use whatever mod you want. I will give this mod list. You can choose any one of these mod, guys. For example, I am choosing this Codex Menu. Um, Scroll down and go to files. Select the manual download option and select download option. Select slow download option and it will start download. Select the folder icon and go to search menu and type WinRAR and select the WinRAR app and open it. After opening the WinRAR, you just need to navigate to the game folder, guys. So after you are in the game folder, you just need to open the content folder, and on left side you just need to open the mod importer. Just drag and drop the mod importer.exe in this content folder, and then right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this as mods, M caps letter MODS, and press enter. And then double click on the mods folder, and then in here go back and double click on this mod utility. Just drag and drop the file in here and go back and double click on the codex menu, drag and drop the file in here, and after drag and drop both files, just go back and double click on the mod importer, select more info and select run anyway option. As you can see, it's read the mod utility and codex menu as well. Now we just need to press enter. It will be closed. Let's close out of here and launch the game. In game, I doesn't know how to check whether the mod is working or not, but this method should work, guys. I doesn't know lots of things about this game because I am new to this game. I'm gonna quit this game and show you guys how to uninstall the mod we installed now. Go to mods folder. Just need to delete this codex menu, guys. This is the mod we actually do this for this tutorial. Mod utility is always needed for any mod you add or here. Now select double click on the mod importer, and as you can see, one base file importer mod utility only having. Just scroll up here and launch the game, and you can play the game without the mod. And that's how you can uninstall and install the mods, guys. So for deliver, like, guys, thank you.